Someone's going to tell me I pronounced Kare Fore wrong.
Okay, so he was pronouncing it Drupal and his name is Dries, so we all kind of adapt to it. So started at the Drupal discussion forum, something like the story of the social network, Facebook. Everyone watched that movie, right? About Mark Zuckerberg. So he wanted a way to discuss within his own group of roommates. So a discussion forum. So he started a blogging system, forum, whatever, tracking RSS feeds. At the time it was pretty new, RSS feed, and he's one of the first to implement that feature, RSS feeds. And soon, due to widespread adoption, he started to release it as Drupal. Drupal has in 2001, and it's been 11 years already. One of the longest. Okay, so what exactly is Drupal? Drupal is everyone knows it's a CMS, content management system, but right now it's evolved. It's evolved to become a CMS, content management framework. So it's like a fusion of both of it. So you get best of both worlds. Why I say that? Because now the API is becoming increasingly powerful. It's very easy to extend. You can create almost any type of website that you can think of. You can even create Facebook with Drupal, I think. There are modules for that if you are willing to fork out your... Maybe you can have a showdown. Okay, next. Okay, these are the numbers. I didn't make up all the numbers. These are really what I found on the internet, but I never include the references here. I can show you if you really want to. So there are like 13,000 modules. All these are, I got it from the website, d.org. So yeah, 1334d. 137, So 13,000 developers, and one of them, I'm sure all of you are members. So two good countries, but I could not find how many Drupal users are there in Malaysia. So some data I've seen. So it's 99 aggregate points, 50 lines. Okay, good thing is it's increased from the March DrupalCon Chicago, I think. It was 1.6% of the worldwide websites there. And now it's November, and increased 2.64%. It's the second place, unfortunately. So I'm sure you all know which is the first CMS.
PHP Luke!
No, WordPress stocks. Joomla is like number 5th. I got it from buildwith.com, so you can check out buildwith.com. So the price is free, plus open source. So next. Okay, what is different from Drupal with other CMS? So the main thing is the multi-site installation. You can
show the dog and then just show the dog and then.
Let me finish first. Okay, so I'll give an example like Sony Music.
Wasn't that the one that got hacked?
Brutal, man, brutal. He's new.
Dude, he's tight.
Okay, shall we move on? Okay, so a very good example is Sony Music. Sony Music, all the artists like Pink, Avril Lavigne, they are all using Drupal, and it's all under one single installation. So meaning one single code base. So meaning that if you just update one source code and all the sites get updated at the same time. So it's a very easy thing, multi-site installation. And secondly is you can build almost any kind of website, intranets, wiki, government website, hospital management systems, even payroll systems, everything. And thirdly, implement any kind of design. Why I say this? Because the theming layer is, I know WordPress can do that.
No, duster.
I haven't said anything good.
I'm expecting that already. So implement any kind of design, like you can have a designer that comes out with very, very fancy, like maybe menu goes down. So that can be done with Drupal because the theming is super flexible and it comes with like inheritance layer. So you can have a base theme for all the Sony websites to use, and each one have a unique sub-theme. So next thing is scalable. So scalable.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that?
Okay. Scalable meaning that okay, security. It has a very dedicated security team which is very hardworking. So any modules that we contribute is actually being scrutinized by the security team and they check thoroughly. So if there's a critical security and they are going to be unpublished from the web page until you fix the security hole. So next, continuation. SEO friendly. I'm talking about the new Drupal. Version 7 comes with all these new things like semantic web, like RDF. Anyone knows what RDF? Source development framework.
Yeah, Talak will know.
Sorry?
Talak. He's like a yeah, there you go.
Yeah. So if you want to explain, you can ask. So it's very SEO friendly. Like anything that you publish on your website, any content, you can tag it. Like I'm posting about Wuhan, so you can tag it with WebCamp. People, eventually Google will be able to find out through the RDS text. So it's a new feature there, and it is developer friendly. Third-party integration is super easy. So you can think of almost any like let's say I'm taking an example for payment gateways. So if you want to integrate with Malaysian payment gateway like iPay88 and NBE Pay is now known as MoPay already. So it's very easy, and I did the iPay88 for them. So API is well documented, which is a good thing. API.drupal.org. So there are even code examples for some of the functions. Or you can even ask in the forum.
Me.
Okay, so next thing, one of the features is new is hosted service. Anyone tried Drupal Gardens before? Only 1, 2, 3. So Drupal Gardens is a new service provided by Acquia. Acquia is a company founded by Dries. So it aims to offer something like WordPress.com. It's a hosted service. WordPress.com. Lastly, Drupal is everywhere. I'm not sure how that's going.
It is everywhere.
Yeah, I can show examples
right.
later.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So next thing, this is how Drupal looks like. I believe standard installation looks basically. Okay. Okay, to be honest, I've never tried WordPress or Joomla before.
No wonder.
So I just got to try this morning, and just for this event. So I extracted WordPress and installed it, and I find it's
Don't listen to this podcast.
okay, it's totally different from what you see in Drupal. Like this Drupal 7, the administrator bar is up there. WordPress is like totally separate backend already.
No, there's a bar though.
There's a bar also.
Yeah, there is.
Okay, so anyway, so
WordPress copied Drupal.
yeah, WordPress copy Drupal.
Okay, carry on.
Okay, so everything can be managed from top on the team, modules, whatever. So you can install this. What you get from the basic installation. So I'll not go in detail. You can try this for yourself. Next slide. When would you use Drupal? So websites that require flexibility. Okay, what do you mean by flexibility? Let's say you started a blog like wuhan.com. It's a personal blog, and eventually he became popular. And he wanted to start. He's already popular. Still. So he wanted to start up a job site, a job portal. He's looking for talented people. So he's starting for talented people. Like Fashion Magazine. Anyone heard of fashionmagazine.com?
Yes.
So they have a jobs portal that's dedicated. Yeah, the site is built in WordPress. So let's say, for example, you started with a blog and you want to create a job site eventually. So he doesn't have to reinstall everything. He just has to plug and play a few modules, and that's it. And just click. That's all. So it's that simple, and yeah, that's about it. So you are able to interact with other websites or technology. So website A, I can connect to your Drupal's website B. So you can exchange information directly. And what you can do thirdly is different complex forms or questionnaires. maybe for your college assignment, if you don't want to use those surveymonkey.com, those kind of service. You want to have your own personal branding up there, so you can just create a complex form. The module is called web forms. So next, web applications with third-party integration. And lastly, this is something new I discovered too. Hot. Very funky name. Anyone heard of this before? Okay, so I will not explain in detail what's that. It's like a new, I think from my understanding, it's like a new RSS feature. It's like a live sync.
Or push.
Push, yes. So you publish something and your subscriber gets it immediately. So it's being implemented to Drupal already through a third-party module, RDF. Apache Soul Search is some kind of search engine, and Apache Knowledge is a machine and data mining engine. So this is all available in Drupal and MongoDB. You new. Now you're able to use Drupal with MongoDB as well. MongoDB as well. So, any questions so far? No. Case study. Okay, I'll just give a very simple case study. So, okay, recently our Drupal Malaysia group, me, Chris, and the guys here, these are all Drupal guys here. So we are trying to bring awareness to Drupal in Malaysia. So we are having a once in 2 months meeting, something like that. So we talk about Drupal, how do we spread awareness. So we have also come up with a revamp of Drupal's website, Drupal.my. Don't look at the site right now. very ugly. So okay, so this is what we propose. It's like a service created by us on Drupal Malaysia, and it's like a proof of concept that you can do this in Drupal. It's called OpenShippingRates.com. You can visit right now, but it's pretty much alpha based. So what problem do we have? Okay, as you all know, the e-commerce industry in Malaysia is booming. Many people are starting to sell things online already. So because it's so easy, you can set up a Magento shop, even WordPress, I think you can sell e-commerce. So problem we have is getting shipping rates. Because people buy online, they would like to have it shipped to your home. So it's difficult to maintain your own database of shipping rates. You may have host value, DHL, StatX. So what we are trying to do is, solution is use Drupal as a web service provider. So we are going to create an OpenShippingRates.com as an API service for other e-commerce sites to get the latest shipping rates. We will maintain the shipping rates ourselves, and we will contact FedEx and all. We give them a client account, we can update all the shipping rates from our UI. So yeah, features is API interface, get live shipping codes. Only, as far as I know, only UPS provides this API service. With DHL, you need to contact them to get a special access. So we're making it.
I'm going to assume that it's like JSON, XML.
Yes, correct.
With OAuth.
Yes, correct.
OAuth.
Authentication.
So basic OAuth.
Yes.
Okay.
Something like Twitter or Facebook's API. So you authenticate, you get your own OAuth key, and you can get your shipping rates already. And because the name is open, so we're going to give it as free, open source, free. But we limit the throttle because our server is still pretty small server until we get funding somewhere.
Is the shipping rates based on your rates or the customer's rates? Because different customers, depending on the volume that they ship, they get different rates.
This is a general rate.
General, that's the max, so the maximum you pay.
Yes. So it's based on the rate. I can show the interface right now. So okay, this is like kind of access. So it's, yeah. So this DHL is not implemented yet. It's just a dummy to show here. So let's say you put your weight as a 33 kg from 5900, I think it's this place, to Sabah, Mufok, Parcel, and yeah, you can see shipping is like 176. Yeah, so this is very simple. This is the front-end UI just for the people to test, potential clients to test, oh, it's working, yes. So they can contact us, and all those pages are blank, so don't bother with it first. Yeah, it's just a proof of concept. So this can be done with Drupal. I think it can be done with WordPress too. So I'm not sure. Okay, the future. What's for the future? This is what Dries explained in the Singapore meetup. He explained about Drupal 8. So his mission is to be able to have multi-device publishing, mobile, tablets. So that's the future. And HTML5 CSS3. And basically it's more on the front end. User experience, responsive teams. Responsive is like you have a different team for your desktop, different team for mobile. So that's what it calls responsive teams. And I don't know whether this will be good or bad. Components will be based on Symfony 2 framework. So I'm not sure whether this is true or not. So they'll be borrowing components from Symfony.
Yeah, it's already been rolled into Drupal 8 Alpha.
Sorry?
It's already been rolled into Drupal 8 Alpha.
Symfony 2 is there already. So I think it's going to get really big, very big. Okay, I think that's about it. So I'll just show you some notable websites called by Drupal. It's gonna be long. White House. Yeah. Okay. Economist. Okay. White House is very good example. I mean, like Dries gave this example as well, and he explained that any 15-year-old kid, he's a hacker, he would try to hack White House first, and he's proven that he's still there. So Drupal is really much secure.
Gone down 2 months ago. Until soon.
Seriously. Yeah, try to hack too. Next, Economist is a magazine. CNN Go. This is travel site. Okay, one of the participants asked question for Dries as well. Why are the sub-sites, microsites of CNN using Drupal but not the main site? Because it's too much trouble. The main site is like a custom CMS developed internally for CNN, and they have like billions of pages monthly. So it's too much work to migrate to
The training of the entire team and everything is crazy.
Yeah, it's too much cost at the moment. Okay, next, Ubuntu is using Drupal. Twitter developers also developed by Drupal. MTV UK, Sony Music Artists, World Economic Forum, ING Insurance, PayPal Developer Forum, X.com, and anyone, I'm sure all of you play Facebook games, Linga is powered by Drupal already, this recently already, and IKEA Sweden. IKEA Sweden.
He's very quiet now.
eBay classified. Commonwealth Games, this is last year's their McDonald's Australia is using Drupal. The Sun Daily developed by Big Solutions here. And this is train. Not sure Sabrina is here. This by default Australians. Okay, the front end is using Drupal. The back end is straight from You see that touchscreen UI for booking system is powered by Drupal. PBSVTS.com.my. Yeah, you know what? Terminal Discovery. We heard this before. Malay Mail. Tune Hotels. This what? Years ago. It's not maintained already. I'm not sure anyone maintaining it. Previously it was hacked. Here we have all the Vigra links and all. I was not responsible for that, so Sergey punished. Okay, the end. Drupal takes longer to learn, but once you learn it, you won't want to be on any other platform.